Hello everyone. So I'm going to try an out of the packet pick of this CISA here. See how far I get. Which could be in for a long video. Chipmunks could be fed pretty easily on this, I believe. Trying to save the packaging as much as I can because I like to keep the original box, although all I really need is just the insert in this. If I wanted to save space, but I got a big box. Let's just throw it in. Alright, we'll pull him out of there. ABS covered brass padlock. Let's see if I might have to take the other. There we go. Alright. Now, let me find out who's going to be my tension wrench. I got all my goodies down here because I was trying to pick on challenge locks and having no success whatsoever. No success whatsoever. Right, let me look at this guy. I think this guy will work. Yes. That will work, I think. Yep, we'll tension him. And I had a, here it is, 15 thousandths. Sorry. Not in frame here. See if I can go bottom of the keyway with this guy. I'm not sure if this is the right pick. There we go. Could be. A slight turn on the coil. I don't know if you can see anything there. I didn't even look at the key. One counter rotated a lot. Definitely a spool in one. Two's give me some counter. Come on, baby, I can't back up on tension much more. I'm gonna need to put this in a vise then. Yeah, it won't let me. I can't counter rotate this thing while it's still in my hand. I backed up all the tension I can get. Right, I may have to put this guy in the vise. Let's try it again. Keep going. Yeah, I've been having no luck with various challenge locks, so I said, let me just try this stock lock that I've got right here. I got another CISA coming in today, mail. So, gotta make room. Not much luck right now. Might have to put this guy in a vise. You'd be able to see it better also. Let me pause this guy and put it in the vise. Alright, I got this guy in the vise now. Maybe I'll be able to see it better. I'll be able to counter rotate better. Yeah, I let go of all the tension. It still wouldn't set. I couldn't hold it and counter rotate with the same hand, so. Right. So far. Be lucky to get that counter rotation. I mean that false set again. I'll go from the bottom. Perhaps not. I'll go from this ledge over here. Alright, let me just throw a Trackmaster in there. See if I can get that. Get it with that. There we go. Huh. That's not too bad. Get him out of there. Show what bidding we were fighting here. Pretty good bidding for a stock lock. So there you go. CISA Class 60 millimeter. Like I said, they've got all the different sizes, you know, with this ABS plastic covering on them. And yeah, hope you enjoyed that. It's not Stock Lock Saturday. Hey, look, I just noticed something when I was putting this key down. I flipped it over and one of them says M08, whatever that means. Maybe that was the inspector. It's a little come off, you know, removable decal. So, thanks for watching, and happy picking, everyone.